This is section 1.7, inverse functions. In this video, we're going to go through number 11 in your book. It gives us this function, and it's asking us to find its inverse. So the way I'm going to solve this problem is to find the inverse function. I'm just going to switch my x's and y's, and then solve for my new y, and have my new inverse function. So what I mean is, instead of having y equals something, I'm going to rewrite this as x equals, and instead of x's over here, I'm going to have y over y plus 2. And now I'm going to solve for my y's so that I'll have an inverse function in terms of y equals. To solve for y, I'm going to multiply both by y plus 2. On the left, I distribute the x to get xy plus 2x is equal to, on the right here, this quantity will cancel, and I'm left with just y. Now I want both my y's on the same side so I can isolate it. So I subtract the xy over, and it becomes y minus xy. To isolate my y, I'm going to take it out of the right side, so I'm left with just 1 minus x. And now when I divide that over, I have the equation y equals 2x over 1 minus x. And that's it for this problem. So remember, to find inverse functions, one way you can do it is to switch your x's and y's, and then just solve for your y, and you'll get your new inverse function. The concepts covered in this video are true no matter what pre-cal class you're in, but in case you're interested, all the problems referenced in this book came from this lovely book right here. Remember that if you're a Baylor student, we offer free tutoring on the first floor of Sid Rich. You can either make an appointment or drop in whenever you're available to get tutoring in pre-cal, calculus, and a bunch of other subjects as well. Feel free to visit our website for more information.